I'm Atupele Muluzi, President and Presidential Candidate of the United Democratic Front. I know that the last few years have not been easy for all of you. Times have been tough. The economy has not worked for you. There are no jobs. There are no drugs in hospitals. We've had food insecurity. Crime is high. Every Malawian must decide their future through the ballot box. We in the UDF have a plan to transform our economy, transform our society, to create jobs for all, to protect our poor and vulnerable within society, to create a minimum of 500,000 sustainable jobs within the next 5 years. We have a plan to deliver quality healthcare, education, infrastructure, and opportunities for all Malawians. We believe in delivery. We believe in action. Within the first days of our administration, we put together an effective cabinet that will be credible, transparent. We will decisively deal with the effects of Cashgate on the Malawi society and the Malawi economy. I promise you that it will be business unusual, and I promise you that I will work hard for you, that the United Democratic Front is ready and united to deliver real change for the people of Malawi. These elections are a game changer, and I'm calling on all of you to come out early and vote. God bless you all, and God bless Malawi. I thank you.